Hello, welcome to Term 6 and our CTC 101 course. My name is Dr. Brianne Wynn, but you can call me Dr. Bree. I will be your instructor for CTC 101 over the next 8 weeks. Please take note that the first official day of this class is Monday, May 1st, and the last day of the first unit or the first week is Sunday, May 7th. Please keep those dates in mind. I'm really looking forward to a great term, and in order to get off on the right foot, I recommend doing a few things. First and foremost, please review the welcome email that I sent to your post and personal email addresses. Please review it, let me know if you have any questions and/or concerns. Next, head on over to the Meet the Instructor tab in our Blackboard classroom. Here you can learn a little bit about me. You can also get my contact information as well as my office hours in case you need to meet with me in a one-on-one. Next, head on into the Unit 1 discussion board. Here, you can introduce yourself. Also, you can read a couple of your classmates' posts and respond to them as well. Just remember that in order to have a great experience over the next 8 weeks, responding to classmates and interacting with each other will be very, very important. I'm so excited for each and every one of you, and please know that I am here no matter what. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions and/or concerns. Take care.